Okay, welcome my heroes to the math session, and today's lesson is the fourth lesson in chapter 1. Okay, Hassan, please mute your mic. This is the fourth lesson in chapter 1, multiply in any order. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like this one, complete the statements we have here. Okay, we have these two arrays and we need to complete these statements. Okay, so now my heroes, please open your books page. Tell me, my heroes, what page is this? This is page 21. So go ahead everyone, open your books, page 21. Okay, Khalid. And please, my heroes, if you don't have anything to say, please put your hands down. So Ahmed, Khalid and Abdurrahman, you can put your hands down. Okay, so we have in this page, we have this question. We need to write the multiplication equation for the array, then turn the paper and write the equation for the array. Okay, let's do this first using this page. Let's solve it here. Okay, let's count. How many rows and how many columns do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So 5 rows. Khalid, mute your mic. And how about the number of columns? The number, no, wait, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 columns. And now count all counters and tell me what is the product. Excellent, Ahmed. So it's 15. And now, my heroes, let's turn it. So if we okay, now let's count again. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 columns. And please do not interrupt me, my hero. Please mute your mic. Okay, count them all and tell me what is the product. Excellent. So it's also 15. Okay, so as you can see here, if we turn it, we have 3 rows, 5 columns, and the product is 15, the same product. Okay, let's go back to the book. And again, my heroes, this is page 21. Hassan, mute your mic. Okay, so let's start first by writing. Okay, we need to write this here. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So 5 times 3, count them all. We said that it's 15. Now we need to turn it. So I will turn the page. Okay, if you turn the page like this, now you see here that this is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and the number of all counters here is 15. Okay, let's make it turn it again. Just a second. It's not turning. Okay. So now let's write the answer. We have here 3 times, 5 rows, 3 columns, so 15. I need to go up a little bit so we can see the question down here. We need to see it. Okay, so here we said 5 times 3 equals 15, and here we said 3 times 5 equals 15. And now we have this question: compare the two equations. How are they the same and how are they different? Okay, my heroes, how are they the same? Okay, as you can see, the numbers that we are multiplying are the same, 3 and 5. 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5 is the same. We call them factors. So the factors are the same. And also the answer, the product. The product is also 15, the same. So the same here is the factors. The factors means the numbers 3 and 5. And the product here is the 15. These are the same. And what is different? What is different? Anyone? Excellent, Ahmed. Excellent, Khalid. So the order of the numbers is different. The order of the factors, the numbers here we call them factors, the number that we are multiplying. So the order of the factors is different. Okay, the order of the factors is different. Okay, so please, my heroes, finish writing so you can move to the next page. I'm waiting for you, my hero. Quickly. I know. Go ahead. 21. Yes. Go ahead, my heroes. Let's write it all. Quickly, my heroes. Okay, Khalid. the order of the factors is the same. Is different, sorry. The order of the factors is different. So we have the factors in the product are the same. We're using the same factors. And we have the same product. And the order of the factors is different. Okay, now is there any more writing? Okay, my heroes, 30 seconds, and we move to the next page. 30 seconds. Finish writing quickly. 30 seconds, Sultan. Mute your mics. Okay. Okay, now my heroes, we need to move to the next page. Okay. Sultan, you're using your mic. Are you speaking to me? Okay. So this is the next page, and let's see this example here. I'll use this page. Complete the statements. We have two arrays. For the first one, we have 3 rows of 4. We can write this as a multiplication equation. So it should be 3 times 4. And what is the product? Count all counters here. The product is 12. Okay, the second one. How many rows? 4 rows of 3. So to write it as a multiplication equation, it's 4 times 3. Count them all to find the product. It's 12 also. Okay, so we call here 3 and 4, the numbers that we are multiplying, we call them factors. And the answer, we call it product. So the numbers that we are multiplying, we call them factors, and the answer, we call it product. The commutative property says that if we change the order of factors, we have the same product. So changing the order of the factors does not change the product. So 3 times 4 equals 4 times what number? Can anyone tell me? Excellent. So 4 times 3. Okay, now let's go back to the book to write the answer. Let's write it. And here we have 3 rows of 4. So 3 times 4 equals, count the counters, it's 12. The other array, 4 rows of, so 4 times 3 equals, yes, 12. Great. Okay, now we have the commutative property. So 3 times 4 equals 4 times 3. And here, my heroes, we have the commutative property of multiplication. This one, circle it. Commutative property of multiplication. changing the order of factors does not change the product. Changing the order of factors does not change the product. Okay, now my heroes, let's move down to solve questions. Is there anyone writing? Okay, quickly my hero. Okay, now let's move down. Okay. And let's start solving. Ibrahim Fahad. Okay, Ibrahim, we need to complete the statements. How many rows? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows, yes, of. Okay, so the multiplication equation is 5 times 2 equals, count them all and tell me what is the product. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Anas Usama. Okay, Anas. The second model here, how many rows? Okay, we have 2 rows and how many columns? So 2 rows of 5. Excellent. Excellent. So can you help me to write this? I need to write here the factors that we are using. Five multiplied by 2 equals 2 multiplied by excellent. So here, if we change the order of the numbers 5 and 2, the factors, we call them factors. If we change the order of the factors, we have the same product. We do not change the product. Okay, let's move to the next question. We need to read the question first. So, Khalid Sihlawi, can you read the question for us? Commutative. Okay, so here we have 2 rows of. Okay, can you turn it? So how many rows? Excellent. So 3 rows. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 rows, and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, tell me what should I write here. The first one. Yes, 2 times. Okay, the second one. Great, so excellent. Thank you, Khalid. You're a star. Okay, Radi. Quickly, my hero. Ten seconds and we move to the next page. Okay, now my heroes, I will erase it and we will move to the next page. Quickly, Ali. Finish quickly, my hero. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Okay, in this page we need to draw an array to show the commutative property of multiplication and complete the statements. Hassan Isa. Okay, so we have here this array. What is this array? 1 times how many characters in this row? 4. So the product is, okay, now let's turn it to show the commutative property. So we need 4 rows, yes, and 1 column. So Hassan, this time the multiplication equation will be equals, excellent. So this is the first one and this is the second one, the factors. The factors, the number that, yes, y2. Okay, so we are using the same factors here. Thank you, my hero. Good work. Abdulaziz Al-Harib. Go ahead. So 2 times 6 equals, okay, let's turn it. We need to draw it. So how many rows? 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the new equation, yes. Excellent. So equals 6 multiplied by 2. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Wow. Okay, my heroes, the next question. Abdurrahman Ayman. Abdurrahman Ayman. Okay, Abdurrahman. How many rows and how many columns? Question number 5. Four rows. How many columns? So 4 times 5. What is the product? Excellent. Okay, now let's draw another array to show commutative property. So how many rows do we need? Turn it. Yes. It's 4 already. It's 4 times 5, so turn it. So how many rows in the new array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 rows. And how many columns? No. Yes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second column. This is the third column. And this is the fourth column. Okay, now the equation. Abdurrahman, what is the equation? Abdurrahman, 5 times. Okay, now let's write this line to show the commutative property here. So 4 times 5, yes, equals yes. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, please finish writing quickly, and I'll send to you the link of the game. Okay, my heroes, now let's start solving. Hassan Ali Sam. Three rows. So, which one is the correct choice? Excellent. This is 3 times 6 equals 18. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, let's move to the next question. Khalid Shredi. Go ahead. Choose a related multiplication for 3 times 4. Okay, so which one is the correct choice? Yes, so 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. Excellent. Great work, my hero. Okay, the next question. Radi? 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 Safe? Safe? Okay, safe. Choose the related multiplication for 3 times 5. Which one is the same as 3 times 5? 5 times 3. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, let's move to the next one. Tahir? Tahir? Okay, Abdurrahman, just a second. Yes, Tahir, 3 times what number equals 9 times 3? Excellent. Great work. Thank you, Tahir. And Abdurrahman, what do you want? I said the names of the heroes, so I should have been said your name. Okay, I have your score already. I have your score, Abdurrahman. Abdul Karim Hashim, Ali Janubi, Al-Janubi, Abdurrahman Abu Dagga. Okay, Abdurrahman, go ahead. Excellent. Great work, my hero. Okay, the next question. Abdullah Juma. Abdullah Juma. Sultan. Sultan. Ali Abdul Hadi. Okay, so this is 2 times 2. It's 2 times 2 equals excellent. Okay, so my heroes, this is the end of our session. Do you have any questions, any problems? Okay, see you, my heroes. Goodbye.